Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to trade using Binance P2P or peer-to-peer. So in order to trade using Binance peer-to-peer or P2P, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you need to get started with Binance P2P. So for that, you have to register on Binance. And when you've already registered and verified your account, that's going to take you to the home page. All you need to do is just go ahead and tap on the icon or the logo from the top left hand side corner of your screen. When you do that, you'll be able to see this fields. So go ahead and click on P2P. Now you need to go ahead and start with the registration. So make sure to mark on the terms and condition. And to begin with the P2P, you have to follow the steps. Now just go ahead and tap on the next button by reading all of these statements that you've already set up P2P. You can go ahead and trade using your P2P or peer-to-peer. So that is how you can get started with Binance P2P. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.